Hello, my name is Aneri Thakkar and my show is called It's That Simple. I basically talk to interesting people about interesting topics, have surprise activities and life doubts. I'm nobody to teach you life. I'm just here to question the way you usually think. And why do I do it? Because I can. And because I prefer living, not just existing.
Hello. पहली बात तो throughout the show, whenever I ask a question, the yes or no should be loud. सबकी शक्लें मुझे ऐसे दिख रही है. We are not in nursery यार. Are you guys ready to start the show? Perfect. So let's welcome on stage Rohan Shah and Salil Acharya. रुकनी नहीं चाहिए तालियां. Please introduce करिए. वैसे तो not needed, but still.
So yeah, my name is Salil. I've been doing film and television for about 30 years now. From Avarapan, which will re-release now hopefully, then a new generation will recognize us. When I was doing Kyuki, he wasn't doing Kyuki at that time. Now I do radio and I produce sports shows. Global boxing series, something that I own, and mixed martial arts is what I produce as well now. So that's us. And she was so sweet to just send a voice note across, and I just said, wow, I love the way she just says, aa jao. I said, chal, let's go.
It was more like please yaar, please. And tell me Rohan.
Hi, I am Rohan Shah. I have been acting since I was 6, about 25 years now. I'm also a producer now. I have a company called Handmade Productions, and थोड़ा बहुत content creation भी हो जाता है, तो actor, producer. I have some friends here, and
I think we've all seen him on Filter Copy. We've all seen him in Ashiki 2. I think it's an overall crazy scene. I can't believe
We've gone
it.
into different age groups here. Yeah, we've covered everything that is
we've
available.
actually worked together.
Yeah, we've also worked together years back.
15 years ago.
Yeah, about 15, 17 years back. Yeah.
तब तो खैर मैं. So let's start with the first question, shall we? Are you guys ready to start the show? Yes. So the first question that we're going to discuss is luck कितना बड़ा role play करता है when it comes to success or failure of any person, and in the first place, does it or does it not?
So discipline is about 99% of it. You have to keep banging the door, but luck is about 201%. It does not matter how you worked or how hard you worked. If you're not at the right space or place, nothing is going to happen. You know, and we've seen it all. I'm not just talking about our industry. I'm also a stockbroker. Trust me. You hear the news in the night and you're awake. तो फिर अगले दिन पता लग जाता है भाई आप कुछ करने वाले. So I think luck is very, very important. And I've seen people जो बिल्कुल कोई काम नहीं करते हैं, उनके luck के साथ में हो जाता है. And you're just going यार मैं यहाँ क्या कर रहा हूँ. तो I feel that everybody tries to work hard, but कुछ लोग ज़्यादा lucky होते हैं यार. Unfortunately ऐसा है. और कुछ लोग को लक लाइफ में थोड़ा लेट आता है और कुछ लोग को जल्दी आता है और उसके बाद गायब हो जाता है, फिर 7:30 शुरू हो जाती है आपकी, है ना. बट इफ यू डोंट हैव लक ऑन योर साइड ना, आफ्टर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बड़ा मुश्किल होता है इसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना. फिर आप बोलते हो आई वांट टू गिव अप एवरीथिंग एंड गो ट्रैवलिंग फॉर 1 year. तो जिनका लक नहीं काम कर रहा होता है ना, वो 1 साल ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं, फिर पैसा खत्म हो जाता है, एंड दे से अब ट्राई करते हैं दोबारा.
Very true. A big round of applause for that answer. That's very comprehensive.
दिस इज नॉट एक्सपीरियंस टॉकिंग बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू.
Tell me Rohan, what do you think?
I might have a little slightly different. It's not different completely, but what I feel is luck is karma unexplained.
Crazy.
So whether or not हर एक का understanding या belief karma का अलग हो सकता है, but I think it's all cause and effect. What you build for yourself or maybe something else has already built for you something in whatever way you understand karma. This is my belief, karma unexplained, and even if I will call it luck in a way जहाँ पे it may open doors for me, but what keeps me in that room is my hard work or my experience of life. So as much as I agree to what luck and how important luck is, there is a slight, maybe a little different understanding of what luck is for me.
Yeah, that's fair, 100%. That's what you're here for, matlab.
I want to actually share one story. I'll show you that bit, okay? So we produce sports shows, okay? So in Abu Dhabi, we have the T10 league that happens there. So अब as an anchor and as a producer of shows, आप वही करोगे ना इस तरफ का. So when we went last year to Abu Dhabi, unfortunately this year नहीं हो पा रहा है for obvious reasons. But last year जब हम गए थे, and this is as big as T20 is, but it's just the same type of teams. सारे contract निकल चुके थे. All. हमारे पास कोई contract नहीं था for broadcasting and all that. आपको पता है कौन सा contract available था? Gate बनाने का. For the stadium gate बनाने का. Now, there were 2 things that we could have done. Not do it. मैंने कहा चलो करते हैं. We built the gates over there by getting workers from Oman, this, that, and I got into construction just by luck. It was by chance and luck that we were there. And then, of course, you have to do all whatever is required. But just by doing that, हमें 5 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला क्योंकि हमारी इंटेग्रिटी को क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ एंड दे सेड ये कुछ भी करने को तैयार होते हैं. सो समटाइम्स बीइंग एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम वर्क्स. मुझे रियली ये लगता है देयर वाज नो रीजन फॉर अस टू एवर गेट इनटू समथिंग लाइक दैट. हम घुस गए और आज मेरे बच्चे ये जानते कि गेट में मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ है हमारे एसएस प्रोडक्शंस कि हमने ये गेट बनाया और ये जा नहीं सकता स्टेडियम का. यू नो, सो यू हैव टू पुश योर लक. लेट्स पुट इट दैट वे.
I have a story as well.
Yeah, go ahead.
So about 5 years ago, my company was still young, as in just a year old, and I really wanted to reach out to Netflix's marketing team because I had worked with them some time ago. As in, I had worked once only, so I knew a person, and I just reached out saying कि मुझे एक opportunity दे दो. I feel it aligns, and you will. I just give me an opportunity, and he was very sweet. I was like, yes, of course, why not? Speak to Naina, you know her. I reached out to Naina. She was too sweet, and it's like we are just looking for a new partner for this particular project, a particular campaign video that they wanted to do, and they're like, let's try this out, and this can be the first thing. Of course, उसके बाद से it's been 5-6 years that we're still working with them, but that one opportunity उस time पे लगा. We are so lucky कि मेरे को उसी time पे वो एक project मिल गया, and I happen to know this person, and it just timing fit एकदम correct. It just later in a different situation altogether, when I look back, I realized कि it's not just that one text that I made or that one phone call that I did to that one person I knew. It's also the 20 years of networking and building that goodwill कि वो एक call पे मुझ पे वो trust कर भी पाए, या वो एक text पे they were so sweet enough to entertain me, वरना I know there are 100 other people who would keep knocking that door.
Yeah.
So those things which are so untangible, you never think about, you might sometimes feel वो कभी कभार भूल जाते हैं हम कि वो सारी चीज़ें ही बनाती है that one opportunity and everything. And of course my team is great कि वो एक opportunity आ गई, but उसके बाद to keep working with them for all these years is because we kept proving ourselves every time we work with them. So
I think वो जस्ट टू ऐड ऑन कि लक एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट को अगर ये दोनों सिचुएशन से समराइज करना हुआ तो इट्स एज सिंपल एज कि इफ़ द हार्ड वर्क इज़ इन देयर या इफ़ द बैक एंड वर्क इज़ इन देयर तो लक का पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. हो सकता है कि लक मिले ना मिले इवन आफ्टर हार्ड वर्क, बट अगर ये नहीं है या यू हैव नॉट डन द बैक एंड वर्क तो कोई चांस नहीं है दैट दिस कम्स अप इन योर वे रैंडमली. बट दैट बीइंग सेड देयर इज ऑलवेज दिस अदर पर्सपेक्टिव व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ कंपैरेटिव लक सीन कि जहाँ पे अंबानी का बेटा पैदा हुआ है तुम यू कैन वर्क ऑल योर लाइफ टू रीच नॉट इवन हाफ वे, यू कैन रीच एंड दैट विल.
बहुत सारे घरों में जो पैदा हो जाते हैं तो हम जानती हैं और फिर हम उसके बाद पैसे देते हैं उनको देखने के लिए बड़े पर्दे पर.
Yeah.
that's where karma comes into play.
Yeah. ये मैं काट के रील में डालूंगी.
कोई काम से बाहर निकाल दो, सारे मेरे शो पे आने बंद हो जाए.
नहीं, but yeah, so there's two different ways of looking at it. But either ways for them also, it's we only look at the brighter side of their life. There's always a cost which we don't see in the long run. तो वो जो luck दिख रहा है वो उतना ही. There's no lunch which is going to be free. First you have to accept that this is where he is, this is where I am, and now if you have to reach there तो बिछ जाना पड़ेगा लाइफ के लिए फॉर यू टू गेट देयर लक. तो बट दैट्स फाइन बिकॉज द डे यू गेट इट, लेट्स से आई एम नॉट अंबानीज डॉटर बट अनंत अंबानी डूइंग समथिंग एंड हिम गेटिंग द प्रेज. बट अगर चलो भगवान करे मैं उसका आधा भी कर ली लाइफ में तो द काइंड ऑफ प्रेज दैट आई विल गेट वर्सेज जो उसको उस लेवल पे मिल रहा है या जो वैलिडेशन जो अप्रिसिएशन जो फेम जो एनीथिंग दैट यू गेट इज गोना बी डबल because you did it. जैसे कि लड़कियों को बोला जाता है let's say you're scrolling through your reels and you see a girl pilot versus you see a male pilot. Why do girl pilots just being that get like way more appreciated, which is very necessary. Why? Because that's new in the world as well. But it is what it is when you work harder, because उस time पे उस age पे when they initially started flying, initially started getting the rights, it was more difficult to get those rights. Now we can. So they were more appreciated also when they became, let's say, a thing which was ideally only done by men in the first sphere. तो जो तुम करोगे I think double the वो भी मिलेगा.
I think for that also what is important, really important, I feel, is to recognize and appreciate and acknowledge why you, why am I born in this family, who am I, why Rohan Shah, not anything else, not anywhere else, in Bombay, in this family, as a boy, girl, whatever identity that we take it, but वो जब तक आप acknowledge and appreciate नहीं करते
And accept
and
it.
then you start the race कि देन यू नो कि आपकी और उसकी स्टार्ट लाइन अलग है, द जर्नी कितना लंबा हुआ है वो आप अप्रिशिएट करोगे।
Yeah, that is
कि
very
देन अगर आपकी स्टार्ट लाइन ही पीछे है और फिर अगर आप 4 किलोमीटर भागे हो जहाँ पे किसी की स्टार्ट लाइन अगर 500 मीटर दूर थी और वो सिर्फ आधा किलोमीटर भागे, you will start appreciating more the 4 kilometers that you've run than to
Yeah.
reach and compare yourself with कि वो कहाँ है और मैं कहाँ पे हूँ। I think
That is true. That is
just
true.
adding to the
That is
Ambani
very, a very practical way of
Ambani
looking at it.
comparison.
You want to make this go on YouTube, ना? तो उसका नाम क्यों ले जा रहे हो यार?
You know who.
You have not seen the power so of people. Let's not.
Yes, people.
Anybody from the audience wants to add something to that? Where's the mic? Yeah. Hanji, tell me.
There are sometimes that luck exists, but there is no intent. So even if the environment is supportive, you just don't realize it. That's because probably you are not in that mindset or you are not in that intention to pursue something or something like that.
Wasting luck that way, in a way, yeah. Very good point. A big round of applause for that, यार. ये मैं 4 बार और बोलूँगी अब से. अब
ये
नहीं बोल रहा तो.
वर्ड जो आपने इंटेंट बोला ना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यार. दैट इज बियॉन्ड एवरीथिंग एल्स. इनफैक्ट मुझे कई बार लगता है कि बेशर्मी दिखानी पड़ती है. इफ यू रियली वांट टू गो समवेयर, झिझक जो रहती है ना लोगों की, उसकी वजह से आधे लोग लाइफ में फेल हो जाते हैं.
At the same time, to add to that, अभी just last week मैं एक मीटिंग से, मैं अपने पार्टनर के साथ एक मीटिंग से बाहर निकले थे. The pitch went really well and we got what we intended to get. And हम लोग बाहर आके बात कर रहे थे. Of course सेलिब्रेट करने से ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेट तो कर ही रहे थे. And he's like, you know what, we should have done this like 3 years ago, XYZ, पहले क्यों नहीं गया, अभी क्यों कर रहे हैं. And my only thing to that was कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, is a good thing to say. But because of whatever experience we've had is why this meeting went well and this pitch went well today. अगर ये 1 महीने पहले होता या 1 साल पहले होता तो it wouldn't have been as good maybe. And everything अभी तक जो था, वो जो इंटेंट की आप बात करें, वो मेरा इंटेंट यहाँ तक मुझे लेके आया, इसीलिए अब वो maybe is fruitful.
It's like saying ऐसा मैं तब अपने एक्स को क्यों नहीं पहले दिन ही छोड़ दी. पहली डेट पे किया नहीं था ना यार उसने ऐसा कुछ. वो तो सही दिख रहा था. Could there be a situation where you can or should get back with someone who has cheated on you?
पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि इन लोगों का अफेयर नहीं चल रहा है.
Because this the only foundation of a relationship is I choose you, you choose me.
Because you said कि I won't drink and
Ever.
then you are promoting that.
Yeah, so
is
you
the
can't do
problem.
that.
बहुत लोग अब बहुत अमीर बन गए भारत में, पहले नहीं होते.
मतलब भाई ना समय रहना said this in this special, you know, everybody will put you into boxes.